Start with combing your eyebrows if needed. Using some clear wax, set your eyebrows with the help of a spoolie brush. This will give the eyebrow powder something to adhere to. Take a light brown powder on an angular brush and then start working from the inner part of your eyebrows in small upward strokes with very little pressure so that you can control the amount of product you apply. When working on the middle part, never forget to give a little arch to the highest point of the eyebrows. It will give an instant uplift to the eyes and will look more defined. Use small strokes instead of one long line, as this would give you a very natural effect. Using lighter shade in the inner and darker on the outer part will give your eyebrows a gradient look. Brush with the spoolie if you see any harsh lines that need to be blended. So when you are done with the center, using a darker shade, extend the tail a little bit just to elongate the brow, and that's it. Now you have beautiful eyebrows. Now moving on, just dab a little bit of concealer around the eyes and blend with a concealer brush in small buffing motions. After that, set the concealer with the help of a compact or loose powder of your choice to set the base in place. Work light-handedly in sweeping motions so that the base doesn't get smudged. Now blend a cool earthy light brown shade on and above the crease in a windshield wiper motion, and then take a darker brown color on the small fluffy brush and put some on the outer and the inner corner of the eyes, and then blend everything together. Using a clean blending brush, applying little to no pressure. Do not hurry and take your time blending the two shades together, and then pull the shade up and out, creating a wing with the eyeshadow. And if you are scared to mess up the wing, try doing it with a brush that has an edge to it. Do not move on to the next step until both the shades look properly blended. Now using the soft flat brush like this one, pick up the darkest brown color and tap off the excess and layer it up on the previous shade in the same manner. Just remember to keep the shade a bit lower and then blend again. If you need some extra depth, go back again with the darkest shade, layer up some more. Then take a shimmery red and apply it with the help of your fingers to the center of your lids, and blend the edges of the shimmer shade with the help of a blending brush. Now put on some gel eyeliner or a liquid one, whichever you would like, on the upper lash line and create a beautiful wing on the outer corner, and don't forget to give your inner corners some edge as well by drawing a little V shape and making them a bit pointy. Now take your pencil brush and apply some of the darkest brown color to the outer half and shimmery red to the inner half of your lower lash line. If you are not a sparkle person, you can stop right here, finish with a mascara, and you are good to go. But if you would like to add a bit of glitter, then take some on the flat brush and dab it on the center of your lids. I have used the pink one. You can go with the red, gold or champagne or any glitter of your choice. Clean the glitter under your eyes with a dome-shaped brush if you have any fallouts. Now using an eyelash curler, curl your lashes and then apply a coat of volumizing mascara to the upper and lower lashes. I'm not using any fake eyelashes for this tutorial, as this is for the beginners. Highlight your brow bone and inner corner with the powder highlighter. Then that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Bye-bye.